Hello and welcome back to Culinary Haven. Today we're making pizza. Not a traditional pizza, but a pizza made with soft tortillas. It takes only a couple of minutes to make and it's absolutely delicious. If you're skeptical about this idea, don't be. Give it a try, you will be pleasantly surprised. Let's begin. Before you do anything, turn your oven on and preheat it to 190 degrees Celsius. To make tortilla pizza, we'll need 3 soft tortillas, 100 grams of sour cream, 2 heaped tablespoons, or as much as you like, of pizza sauce, and your toppings, whatever they are. It's up to you, to your taste. I'm using pepperoni, sweet pepper, and of course cheese. Cheddar cheese and mozzarella. That's my favorite combination for pizza, but of course it's entirely up to you. And you will also need a pizza tray or a pizza stone. Let's build our pizza. So we take the first tortilla and put it on top of the pizza tray and put half of the sour cream on the first one and spread it evenly. On top of that goes the third tortilla, the pizza sauce goes on top of that. And now the toppings. Like I said, my favorite is pepperoni pizza, so I'm going to put some pepperoni on top of the pizza sauce and some sweet pepper. And lastly, the cheeses. Some cheddar cheese, you saw how I was making it. It took less than 2 minutes actually. And now this is going into the preheated to 190 degrees Celsius oven for about 12 to 15 minutes. Depends on your oven and depends on how you like your pizzas. Let's do it. I'm going to cut it. I'm not sure if I should use this or a pizza wheel. I think that's fine.
Yeah, it's done the job.
The tortilla is soft and doughy and the toppings are perfectly cooked. The cheese has melted and browned. It's a perfect pizza. It takes absolutely no time to make. It's absolutely delicious. It's beautiful. It tastes exactly like pizza. I hope you like it. I hope you try it and let us know. Thank you for watching this episode of Culinary Haven, and until next time, bye.